Alright, we're back. Put my ND filter on. Got my settings set. Fixed the audio issue. I came out and tested this yesterday. Show a little clip here, but the audio just doesn't sound good at all. I really hope the audio doesn't, just be garbage because this is fun. So I figured that out. It has a new option on the Action 5 Pro in the audio settings when you plug in an external microphone. So for my helmet, I've got a microphone set up. I can just plug it into the camera. But when you plug it in, you've got another setting on the Action 5 Pro that says AGC, and you can turn it on or off. It was on the last time. Anyway, turned it off and the audio seems to be working fine, so we're back. Out for a little ride. Testing out the Action 5 Pro again. So should be fun. One thing I do need to update on this four-wheeler is the suspension, but I don't know, I might go till it dies. If I was gonna do a suspension upgrade, I would get Elkas though. Most definitely. So yeah, this is footage out of the Action 5 Pro. Action 5 Pro. Changed the name up a little bit. Now we got a Pro model. You get super night mode or night mode, whatever it's called. You get better night settings on the camera. And you can also connect Bluetooth microphone to it with the DJI mic. And then we also have, just updates in the camera itself. 49 or 8 megapixel, I believe. I'll have all the specs up on the screen here. Are we still recording? I thought I heard it turn off, but we're still recording. I'm so used to just listening for that quick capture sound when you hit the record button. Beeps on and beeps off when you're recording. It's pretty handy. And then I'll just have it to record the last settings I was using. I don't have a custom setting mode set up yet. We've got some new trails coming in here. Got some exciting new things for the channel coming up. So we're working on some trails for that. Hope to get those set up soon and have a lot of fun with it. But for now, still on the four-wheelers. It's been a long time since I've been out to ride, actually. It's been, I don't know, about a month since I've been out to actually get riding. So it's good to get back out. I think we can get through here. What do you guys call your ATV or four-wheeler or quad? What do you call that? Let me know in the comments down below. This is my favorite riding season. With all the leaves out. Nice crunchy trails. The trees start to open up. We're not quite full fall yet, but the leaves are turning. And part of it is it's been so dry here that the trees are shedding some leaves from that. But I think the color is right around the corner. I'm touching the tree. I can't make it. I was able to attach a mic in my helmet. So let me know if you want to see a video on how I did that, how I do my moto vlog setup. Might do a video on that anyways, but let me know if that's something you want to see. Show you my setup. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to do on any helmet. And you can get some nice audio out of it with it. This over here is a trail. It's so grown up in here. Also, video on that coming soon. Trail saw. Nice, light, thin, small, compact. I mean, it's fairly compact. It's like a 13, 14-inch saw. But you don't have to carry around a gas saw. It'll cut up pretty large sized limbs or trees that are across the trail. So I'll have a video coming on that too. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you aren't already, guys. Lots of fun stuff coming up on the channel. Lots of helpful tips for ATVs and side-by-sides, mainly Arctic Cat. That's kind of what I deal with, but it applies to most brands, most models. So yeah, let me know how this footage is turning out. You like the new Action 5 Pro? I've been enjoying just using it every day, just kind of seeing how it works and everything. It's really similar to the 3 and the 4. The 3 didn't have the ability to hook a Bluetooth mic to, but this one does. Even though I'm not using the Bluetooth mic right now, I've just got it plugged in. I've got it wired up. But this was my setup. I had the 3 set up this exact same way, except I didn't have ND filters at the time, so I'm really excited to be able to use ND filters now, get a little better look in the footage, kind of calm down those highlights, cut out the sunlight a little bit so it's not too washed out. Super handy for this kind of stuff. I mean, if you just want to grab the camera and shoot in auto, you'll also get some really great footage as well. And I'm not sponsored by DJI or anything. I just bought the camera. I just love using these. I had some GoPros when I started out, and I'm just not a fan of GoPro. Whenever I'd use them, I'd have to, pull the battery out sometimes because it would freeze up. But since I got these DJI cameras, I've never had that freeze up issue. They've worked perfectly. I've had all of the cameras. I've had the first version, the second version, third, and well, I haven't had the fourth, but a buddy of mine has one that I've been able to use just to see how it works and everything. So I've been able to use all of them, and I've been really happy with them. So if you're looking at getting an action camera to film your rides, I would highly recommend them. I'll leave a link in the top link in the description. You can get this camera if you're looking into getting an action camera for recording your adventures. Be sure to check it out. And always, it helps out the channel too, so I can make more content for you guys and help you out. Whether it's just ATV tips, maintenance tips, or you know, if you want to know more about action cameras and tips for that, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to help out. It's starting to get dusty out here. Let's go explore down here. Hope this video isn't getting... Oh, I just chucked that log. Hope this video isn't getting too long or boring for you. Let's go explore somewhere else. I don't know if I want to go down here. This looks a little overgrown. And we can open it up though. I mean, I had a trail through here. The saw is so awesome. I've been using this saw for a few months now and just really got to liking it. It's just so easy to use and conveniently small. So you can strap it on your ATV, throw it in your side-by-side, slip it anywhere. It's got this nice slim case. And we'll have to cut this one out of the way maybe. We'll pull it. Let's pull it. We've got a four-wheeler. Just back right up here. Realize the footage might look a little dark for you guys, so we'll pop that ND filter off for a second here. Down in the trees, it's a little darker. My hitch is on something else. I think I have it on the Prowler right now. We'll just stick it around here. That's good. I've broken this strap, and I know it's not good, but I tied a knot in it. Just for pulling little logs like this, it's been fine on the four-wheeler. Yikes. Yeah, I don't know if I was coming through here anymore because all these logs got washed up in here. So it's not really good to get through. We can smash our way through though. I was gonna cut that. Okay. I need to turn around. Right up out here. Log crawling here. Oh, that's fun. And then our trail goes, used to go through here. A lot of new branches in the way. Haven't been back on this trail for a very long time. I don't know if I'll be able to get up this. We'll put it in low, see if we can crawl up here. Yeah, that's about the end of this trail. it kind of just stops here. At the end of the trail, you either turn around or go exploring. And I think we've hit explore mode. Go this way. I mean, you can get through the creek when it's dry, but not when it's wet. You know, this tree is in the way, and it's dead. I think I should cut it. Doesn't sound good on the bumper. I'll just cut it out of the way. Like butter. Gotta trim through another tree here or break it out of the way. We are bushwhacking out here, guys. Might be able to crack this one out of the way. See what we're doing. We got a vine stuck up in here, and we got this thing in the way. This is bushwhacking, man. Get underneath that. Let's cut our way through here. We are blazing new trails, y'all. This is fun. Well, let's make a trail through here. So this is an all-new trail. I've been doing so much trail building, just like little trail stuff too, like not even four-wheeler trails. Got some hiking trails going in, some bike trails going in. This video might be getting a little long, so I might have to make a part 2. So if you enjoyed it so far, be sure to drop a like down below, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in part 2.